Pedders offers 2 levels of sports and performance suspension packages to enhance the ride, handling and appeal of the Subaru WRX STI. With decades of experience, the Pedders build process is meticulous, rigorously adhering to the highest manufacturing standards and finest tolerances. It's world's best practice and proudly Australian. The first level is the Pedders SportsRider EziFit spring and shock suspension kit. This is the perfect upgrade choice to resolve common knocking or premature failures. The kit includes gas-charged SportsRider shock absorbers, matched the SportsRider coil springs, plus SportsRider offset rubber strut mounts. At the heart of the SportsRider nitrogen gas-charged shocks is precisely tuned valving to meet the demands of performance driving. The Pedders SportsRider EziFit spring and shock suspension kit comes pre-assembled, reducing installation time. This really is plug-and-play Pedders suspension at its best, perfect for daily commuting or performance driving. Next, Pedders SportsRider Extreme XA coilover kit. This is the ultimate performance suspension upgrade for your WRX STI. The Pedders Extreme XA coilover kit features everything you need to fine-tune your ride. At the click of a button, 30 position adjustable dampers plus ride height adjustment. You can further improve steering feel and response with Pedders camber bolts. Click, tune, play with Pedders Extreme XA.